Hmm. Oh, good morning, team. As I have my coffee, I was thinking a lot about energy again. Um, Today, I wanted to talk about how most people, in self-development, they talk a lot about you gotta hustle and you gotta grind. And today, I really want to stress the importance of resting. Your body is composed of a sympathetic and a parasympathetic system. You must achieve balance as far as energy is concerned because, in actuality, you're not a perpetual motion device and you might be some sort of crazy dynamo, but at a certain point, you have to rest so that you can rebuild your energy. I want you to make sure that you're taking care of yourself. A lot of people think that the secret of success is hard work, but you'll see a lot of people working assembly lines in factories and they work very hard, but they are not achieving the success that they're looking for. And part of the reason of that is because most of these people, they're living off of survival emotions. When you're living off of survival emotions, your body is producing adrenaline, cortisol, and it's very impossible for you to focus on the inner world. In fact, when you're in this state of mind, which is what an emotion is, you're actually focused on the outer world and you're not doing the necessary inner work to manifest and create the reality and attract the reality that you're looking for. Because remember, again, we are magnets. If you're a magnet, you got to make sure you're fully charged so that you can attract the reality that you're looking for. Um, you know, it the importance of rest just cannot be stressed enough, you guys. I mean, personally, I hustle and I grind, and I know you do too. Otherwise, you would not be listening to this video. I'm not speaking to the people who are just super lazy. I know I'm speaking to people with goals and vision. In order to rest, I'll give you three simple tips that I really stick by. Okay. As far as sleep, here's how you want to time it. You sleep in increments of 1 hour and 30 minutes. So it takes 30 minutes to fall asleep at your normal rate. So say you go to sleep at 9, that means 9:30 you start. Okay, you want to time it in 1.5 hour increments. So let's say 7.5 hours if you have that time. 9:30, 7.5. That's 2.5 there. So that's like what, 5? You can wake up at 5, okay? But if you wake up at 5:30, then you'll be entering deep sleep. It'll really mess you up. Other tip, make sure you drink enough water. And last tip here, I know that some of you may be working out and you may be tempted to skip meals and everything. Remember, we get energy from meals. Think of it like an athlete. When you're working 8 hours a day, all week long, you're working harder than athletes. Make sure you eat enough food, you drink enough water, you get enough sleep. You will have the energy to carry out your duties. Good luck, everyone.